Right, so the other day I found this baby and I thought I haven't used it in a while. So I've let myself into Becca's house because she thinks I'm working late, and I'm gonna hide in this wardrobe here, and then when she comes in, hopefully give her the scare of her life. Right, let's do this. What? Weed yourself?
Man.
Shut up! Have you weed yourself? Have you weed yourself?
You made me jump.
Have you Babe! Babe! Have you actually weed yourself?
Yeah, can you get my towel, please?
Why did you weed yourself?
Because you made me jump.
I'm coming in.
No, you're not coming in.
I'm coming in.
No, I need my towel.
Have you weed yourself? Weed yourself? My face hurts so much.
It's not even funny.
Babe, it was just a joke.
You made me wee myself.
How-
How much you made me jump?
How did you wee yourself?
Because you made me jump.
I'm sorry, I love you.